Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed positive today again, just trading close to the upper end of this Bollinger Band, and it'll be no surprise that there'll be a small halt around 62.20, which is the upper Bollinger Band on the daily charts. The momentum indicator is just about to give a buy signal, but I think it will just take time for markets to consolidate or make a base around these levels and then move up again. On the hourly charts, we've been trending upwards, higher tops, higher bottoms, and it's just been consolidating around this area. I'll be expecting the momentum to continue, but a small correction, small consolidation this area, and the consolidation should break on the upside for the next target of 62.20, which is the upper end of the Bollinger Band on the daily charts. The hourly momentum indicator is has just given a sell signal, so a small consolidation and the cycle would just come down to zero levels and then again give a buy signal. So overall friends, the bias is positive still. The target should be around 62.20 levels in the very short term, and then a small consolidation would be expected. Bank Nifty has just broken out of this triangular pattern on the upside. The momentum indicator is just about to give a buy signal, support at 20 and 40 daily moving averages. So overall, Bank Nifty is looking the strongest, and I'll be expecting the momentum to continue on the upside. Support would be around 13,000 and 12,800. Resistance would be around 13,300 and 13,440. For 13,440 would be our short-term targets. Stock specific, you can see Reliance just breaking out of this downward sloping channel, also breaking out of this flag pattern on the upside. Today's candle is very impressive, and it has also crossed the previous swing high, so it's looking good. Support would be around 825 and 802. Resistance would be around 850 and 875. 875 would be our short-term targets. This is not ONGC, this is by mistake spelled ONGC here, but it is Jai Prakash Associates chart, and it has just broken out of this triangular pattern on the upside. The momentum indicator is just about to give a buy signal, so it's looking good. The resistance would be around 82, 83 levels in the very short term, and the support would be around 20 and 40 daily moving average, which is around 75, 76. So overall friends, things are looking good, and I'll be expecting the markets to move up in the very short term, but it might just halt for some time around 62.20 levels, which is a very crucial resistance going forward. Thank you so much.